Hello everybody, Stephanie is back with another video. Now if it's your first time here, I do audio, whereas IEMs like the Moondrop Aria 2021, Moondrop Aria Snow Edition, true wireless earbuds like the Edifier Neo Buds Pro or the OnePlus Buds Pro Plus. I don't know why I said Plus. Anyway, so this is One More's latest product that just dropped this month. First, I'd like to thank One More for sending these out to me. Greatly appreciated. Now, I've had these for a few weeks and I have a few things to tell you. First off is the price. On Amazon right now, you can get these for $99 and you can save an extra $20 off until October the 18th. Do not watch my video around Halloween or Thanksgiving and say, wait, I saw these on Amazon and they're only $129. You said they were $99. Well, I told your ass. Now I'm going to break this video down into what I don't like and what I really like. These are a very straightforward product. They are over-ear headphones with ANC and LDAC support and over 70 hours of playtime and fast charge. So let's go ahead and just get the controls out of the way. Now, the SonoFlows, they use buttons. All of the buttons are on the right-hand side. So this is what it would look like if you were wearing them in the front, and this is what it would look like if you're wearing them on the back. So you got the ANC button here. You got the volume up and volume down. Turn them over on the front. You got the power button. Now we're going to showcase One More's music app. So let me get my A52S out and boot up the One More app. First off, let me power these on right quick. I'll show you how you do that. All you do is just long press on the power button and you will see a white light and boom. Instantly pair it up to your phone. So first we're going to do a quick guide here. Oh, it said Bluetooth is disconnected. Okay, now we're back in. Okay, now we're back. All right, so when it comes to the volume, you want to increase the volume, you tap the, what? That doesn't make any sense. Hold on, let me see if that's right. Okay, yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay, never mind. Oh, I'm tired. Okay, increasing the volume, volume up, decrease the volume, volume down. Scroll over, select song, previous track, hold the volume plus button, next track, hold the volume down button. Scroll over again, playback and phone call. Pause and play is the power button and you just press it one time. And if you get a phone call, you just press it and then you can also press it to hang up. Scroll over again, voice control. Yeah, you can do voice control. Voice control on a cell phone, double tap the power button. I've tried that out. This is a Samsung phone. Bixby is installed. I don't have G Assistant. I never bothered setting that up. And scroll over again. Listening modes. Now this is basically ANC. ANC on, transparency mode, normal mode. And all you do is just tap NC button here on the back. And that's pretty much it. So you got full touch controls or full control. So as you just saw, you have full control. You have volume up, you have volume down, previous track, next track, pause, play, even activating your voice assistant and using your phone call. Now, I would give these a 5 out of 5, but the SonoFlow have two modes. You can use these wirelessly with Bluetooth, or you can use these with the wire that comes included. Now, controls, they do not work with the wire. I tested them out and I was shocked to find out that you don't even have access to LDAC. So if you want all of the controls, Sono in wireless mode. So if you want access to the buttons on the right side, you're going to have to use these with Bluetooth. If you use these with the wire, they basically become this, regular cans. So with that, I would give these a 5 out of 5 because they have full touch controls. And you know how I am about full touch controls. You know how I am with One More product. I'll give these a 4 out of 5. So that's good. At least they give you like two modes, wired and wireless. I like the full touch. Now moving on to the ANC and the transparency mode. The SonoFlows are using One More's QuietMax AI noise cancellation. Theoretically, they will cancel out 35 decibels of ambient noise. Now in my testing, it does an excellent job. Ambient noise above or at at around 45 dB is completely muffled. So I'm gonna give the ANC on the SonoFlows a 4 out of 5. Now the transparency mode on the other hand, they surprised me. Now it's not as good as the transparency mode on the AirPods Pro, but it's damn close. Fully transparent mode, no dual mode, is also a 4 out of 5. Also, before I forget to mention, when it comes to the ANC, you just get this, you know, full ANC. There's no commute, there's no indoor mode, there's no outdoor mode. It's just ANC, and that's it. You can't really tweak it or anything. Now, moving over to can I go deaf? Now I'm gonna do this a little bit differently. Now, what I mean by that is I don't want to get hit with a copyright claim or something because, you know, these are cans. I can't exactly use my decimal meter, and because the music is going to come all the way out of here. I noticed that as well because the last time I used cans like these was like 2003, 2004. It was many, many moons ago. But testing these out, the loudest they got was between 93 to 96 dB at the max volume. So that's the loudest the SonoFlow gets. So take my word for it, they get loud. Now, I'm going to save the best for last, and that's the sound quality. I'm not going to spend too much time on this segment because if you watch my previous One More reviews, the sound doesn't really change much between their product. When it comes to the sub bass, it's present. The mid bass has a slam and body. The mid range is present as well. Male and female vocals, they sound slightly forward. Lastly, the highs are the treble. It isn't overpowered. One More provides a relaxed listening experience out of the box. It's a warm sound. The signature is very warm. Matter of fact, all of their products are pretty much warm with, you know, certain variations with the mid-range and the highs. And this is important because you can listen to your music for long periods without fatigue. And yes, these are very comfortable to wear on my head. I got kind of a big head, and, you know, these cups are like, ooh, man, they're really comfortable. I was just laying down, just listening to music, you know, just letting the Apple Music, you know, do a whole shuffle playlist. I had a good time. And because these have a warm sound signature, that's ideal for jazz, rock, pop, and R&B. You're getting punchy bass, detailed mid. Great if you like to relax or study. My personal preference when it comes to how I use these or how I listen to music is I like to use them in wired mode. And I'm going to show you how with my eFi audio DAC. So this part right here, the camera will just show it. This end right here, just plug this in here and the Bluetooth will automatically disconnect. As a matter of fact, yeah, you just heard it. Also, weird thing. So when you turn these off, it's this like Nintendo like game over like tune that plays. It sounds like, oh, you're dead. You know what I'm saying? Like mission failed. And now I'm going to plug this into the DAC. Now I'm going to plug my DAC into my A52S. Turn this bad boy on. There we go. And because I do not want to get hit with any copyrights, I am going to go ahead and put these on my ears, and I'm going to make sure I got the volume at a decent level because I don't want to go to the hospital for ear bleed. Now, with the DAC, you can use the knob to turn the volume up, or you can use your phone. I just use the knob. Still work. Now, because these have ginormous dynamic drivers inside of them, you're going to get some good sound. Like, the sound stage is really good. I love the way these sound, man. I do. I love the way they sound. Like, okay, Dua Lipa, I don't know how you say her name. She sounds great. Let me turn it up a little bit more. Turn it up a little more. Oh, that's it? Okay, I can go louder than that. Okay, right there. Yeah, that's good right there. A good mid-bass slam. You got a nice wide sound stage. Sounds great. Let me see, what else was I listening to? I was listening to some Earth, Wind, and Fire. Oh, here we go. Here we go. The Weeknd. Yeah, that bass is coming in loud and clear. This sounds just like, I would say, the Comfort Buds Mini or the Piston Buds Pro or the One More Evos, but instead of being inside my ears, it's over my ears. It sounds good. These sound good. I like these. I'm going to give the sound quality a 5 out of 5 because you're getting versatility and you're getting just, oh, man, this is good sound. One More is slowly moving up the list. They're slowly becoming raggedy bitches. These some good cans. Under $100 too. Man, I wasn't expecting much because I don't, you know, I'm not really a can guy. You know, I like these. These is what I like. I like these if I want to get like high-res audio. But these do the job. These do it. So either wired or wireless, you know, A&D full controls when you're using Bluetooth. Also, I'd have to say what I don't like, these have Bluetooth 5.0. Like in 2022, they could have at least given you Bluetooth 5.1. The range, if you're using these indoors, just say you want to listen to a playlist and clean your house, you better keep your phone close by. That's all I'm saying. This has been the review of the 1MORE SonoFlow over-ear headphones. Not a bad product. Not just saying that because 1MORE sent these out to me, but because I've actually tested them and they're comfortable and they sound great. If you enjoyed this video, you like what I'm doing here, consider subscribing to my channel. Click that bell, ring a ding ding. You know, leave me a comment on this video. I read them all. And with that being said, enjoy your life, enjoy your sound. I'll see you in the next video.